Okay, so I'm just gonna show you this new update for audio handles. All right, so I'll just drag this video here and I'll go like this. Also, if you use hold shift and then you scroll, it's much faster this way. Now I can go just select where I like to add a cut. All right, and now here we can see we have this squares here that we didn't have before. And also, if you hover over, you see this hold option key to fix either face duration or shape. But so here, can select, can now click on this square here and drag, and I can add crossed fade, or I can fade the beginning of the video and the end of this video. Now, if also when I drag, I move the cursor up and down, I can add like a slope to the fade. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do and all you need to know. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Premiere tutorials.